Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream and grow a garden prismatic. First, you'll need to gather your basic ingredients. Look for milk, sugar, and any flavorings you desire, like berries or chocolate. Once you have everything, head to your crafting station. The game provides a straightforward recipe, so just follow the on-screen instructions to combine your items. It's a quick and easy process to get started. To get your ingredients, you can milk your virtual cows or purchase milk from the in-game market. Sugar is easily harvested from sugar cane plants you've grown in your garden. For the actual creation, make sure you have the ice cream maker tool. This specialized tool streamlines the process, ensuring your ice cream comes out perfectly every time. It's designed for ease of use. Now for the fun part, customization. Don't be afraid to experiment with different fruits from your garden or various flavor extracts. You can also add fun toppings like sprinkles or chocolate chips directly into the mixture. Once your flavor profile is perfect, place the entire mixture into a freezer unit. It will need a specific amount of time to solidify into delicious ice cream. Once your ice cream is ready, you can serve it to your in-game friends or customers, boosting their happiness and your reputation. Any extra portions can be stored in a cold storage unit, keeping them fresh for future enjoyment. This ensures you always have a sweet treat on hand. Remember to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.